The next thing we have to start is social media marketing. Okay. In social media marketing, uh, we will talk about a lot of things and we will learn paid media as well. So, in what happens in social media marketing? What is social media marketing according to you guys? Go ahead and unmute and tell me.
Through Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, where we can publish our websites and we can view our profiles. Means we
Okay.
can.
Okay. Anyone else? Or where we can promote our business website? Okay. Any other input? So according to me, what you said is one part of it to promote your product. Chaitanya says to run campaign to connect with customers. Okay, is another part of it. Its third part of it could be building the reputation or managing the online reputation of your brand, because a lot of people run different campaigns against you or for you, bad reviews, good reviews also. So you have to maintain the ORM of it. Like what happened recently with uh, uh, a TikTok, if you guys know or don't know that their rating from 4 star to 1 star. Okay, it came in just a week on Google Play Store. This is also part of ORM. How things happened, a reputation. Nestle, Maggie said somebody said lead in it, and then it started trolling and it got banned in India for a couple of months. It is also ORM. If you have uh, catered it properly, managed it properly on social media, then you would have uh, not reached to that stage in India. That is one of the big things. So ORM is also a part, promotion is also a part, run campaign is also a part, and apart from that, building connection with your audience, building your brand with the audience is also a part of social media marketing. So social media marketing, it's not just running campaigns, get leads. It is beyond that. Okay. What are the processes to do it? The first process in social media marketing is to build persona of your of of your target customers. Okay. So you have to build persona of your target customers, who they are, what they do. I will come on that detail. Second is uh, build the content calendar for it. When I say content calendar based on persona, you will build a content calendar. Or even before that content calendar, you will say a brand preposition you will identify if you want, if you wishes to. Big brand does it. Small brand doesn't do it. Brand preposition is identification includes uh, the smaller your competition identification, your product worth, your product reputation, everything. Brand preposition is that. Then content calendar, what you want to achieve through that. Okay. Once the content calendar is created, then is the designing and copywriting work comes. Okay. Then designing means creating posts, videos, copywriting means writing captions, content, conceptualizing the videos, and all that comes after that. And fourth is uh, create engagement. Okay. Create engagement here means that various kinds of or create engagement, you can cover it in over there. Okay, content calendar, in that you can cover, think about the engagements. Then is distribution model. Distribution model is primarily how you will distribute. You will just post on your page. You will send it to your in various groups. How you will distribute it. Okay, and then is checking results. Checking results of the campaign you have run, whether it's a paid or an organic campaign, what kind of results you are getting, and then optimizing the campaign both in terms of organic or paid, and strategy to grow your followers or your fan. Okay, or you can keep it ahead of content calendar as well. That is also fine. Okay, so this is how a social media marketing is managed. The first thing is building persona. Persona means identify who is your customer audience. For example, let's take an example. Ranjana, what kind of business is yours? Can you elaborate and we can identify a business model for you, a target audience for you? Okay, it's your husband's business, ITCR. Okay, okay. Mm. Let's take one example which we have been taking. That is uh, Aditya's example. Okay, so it's become easier for you to understand because everyone knows who's the target audience for Aditya's business. It's primarily home loan takers. Okay, so how we can identify home loan takers? Home loan takers can be identified based on gender. Okay, based on age group, based on demographic, geographical locations. Okay, based on their occupation. Okay, based on their family background or financial condition. Okay, mm. And in this case, also the purpose of buying the product. Okay, I can think of it this. You can think beyond that as well. Okay, buying purpose you can identify, or the cost of the product. Cost of the product here means the home loan which they are applying for. Cost of the product. Okay. So like there are various age groups who are looking to buy homes. One age group is between 25 generally, okay, to 30, 34, 35. Okay. Second, sorry, gender, so primarily they are male, female. Okay. Age group is this, then 35 to 44 is a different age group. Then 45 to 55 are buying for different purposes. Okay, so like that, why we are differentiating it is because the purpose of buying the product is very different. A male buying a property is for a different reason. His mental thinking is different. What in comparison to a female. Secondly, a age group person, let's say a person who is between 25 to 34, he's buying a house because most probably he might be looking for an investment purpose on these